So in this lesson, we are going to understand the type of task, the type of data entry tasks that virtual assistant do. And the first thing we are going to look at is the basic data entry task. The basic data entry tasks include copying data from one format to another. A client can send you a PDF file with some data in it, and your job will be maybe to copy the data from the PDF and type it out in maybe a Microsoft Word or Google Doc, and the client can send you a screenshot, or they can maybe even snap a piece of paper with some data in it, and they will send it to you, and you can just copy the data and put it in a Microsoft Excel file. A good example is I previously worked for a client who is working with client herself, and when she is having a call with client, she is a therapist. So when she is having a call with client, she is taking some random note. When she finish working with a client, she will take a snap. She will snap her note in a piece of paper, and she will send it to me, and I'm going to organize it in a Google Doc. I type it out with the name of her client, and I put all the information so that whenever she just want to take a look at the client information, when she open the Google Doc, she see the name of all the client. If she open each name of any client, she is going to see all her notes that she type out in a piece of paper. So this is one example of a data entry task, which is under the basic work. Another example of a basic data entry task is copying and pasting data from one document to another. Let me give you another example. If you are working for a real estate investor, they can send you a Microsoft Excel file with maybe 1,000 list of properties. The properties have all their addresses all across the US maybe, and the properties are around different ranges, and maybe there are mobile homes in it, so different types of houses. There are single family homes, there are multi-family homes, there are apartments. It's one big list with a lot of data in it, and your job might be to categorize it to make it easier for the client to see properties within a price range, within one price range, to see each properties in each different state. So your job might be to create, maybe if it is one file, you can create 10 different Google Sheets, and you just go through the big list, and you copy each property that is located in each different state, and you put it in a different spreadsheet, and you pick each property that is within maybe a price range, and you paste it in another spreadsheet. So you are copying data from one file and pasting it to another file to make it more organized and more easy to read and understand. An example of a data entry task that is a little more advanced than the basic copy and paste type is maybe doing some data validation. An example is a client can send you a file with a lot of data in it, and your job might be to maybe calculate all the average prices of each home. If maybe the houses are maybe 1,000 houses, 1,000 properties on a spreadsheet, and the client want to know the average price home in maybe California. So your job will be to find all the properties that are in California, and you put them in one spreadsheet, and you use a formula to find the average price of the houses in California. So this is a little more advanced. You are going to have to use some formulas and data validation and some filters in order to figure it out. Another example is collecting some data from contact form and organizing it in a Google spreadsheet or in a Microsoft Excel. One example is maybe a client has a form on their website that people are going to fill out the form and submit for whatever reason. Or to make it even simple, let's say you are working for someone who is a recruiter. They are recruiting for other people, and maybe every week they are posting a job application, and 1,000 people are applying for each job. So your job will be, after the application closes, you go to the back end of the form and you download all the people's responses, maybe in a CBS file, and you go through the responses. The client is going to give you the criteria to go through. If you are looking, you go through all the people who submit the application. Anyone who didn't provide this kind of information, you delete them from the list. Anyone who didn't meet this criteria, you remove them from the list. After you finish removing all the people that doesn't meet the minimum requirement, then you clean it up, arrange it in a way that it is going to be easier for your client to go through the responses and you send it to the client. So these are just some type of data entry tasks that you are going to be doing using Microsoft Excel. In the next lesson, we are going to look at why do clients even hire data entry virtual assistant? Why is data entry important, and why do clients hire someone to do data entry work for them? So I'm going to see you there.